breeze. Northwest wind at 7 miles an hour. For the southern Sacramento Valley, the extended forecast for Thursday night. Clear. Low 39 to 49. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour decreasing.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of emergency services. The Sacramento 911 services is experiencing technical difficulties at the moment, and technicians has been called to resolve the issue. Please do not call 911 to test it out until a new message is issued saying it has been fixed. Please call 91669173393 if you have an emergency. Do not call 911 just to test it out.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Simulcast on radio station KEC 57 at 162.55 MHz from Fairplay in El Dorado County, and on radio station WWF 67 at 162.40 MHz from Wolf Mountain in Nevada County.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of
60s to lower 70s. North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. The forecast for the southern Sacramento Valley, including Sacramento, Mary.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of emergency services. The Sacramento 911 services is now working and operational again. Do not call 911 unless if you have an actual emergency. If you have any issues calling emergency services, please report it to the Sacramento Police Department or reporting the problem to the National Weather Service in Sacramento. Once again, the 911 services is now working and operational again. Do not call 911 just to test it out.
The forecast for the southern Sacramento Valley, including Sacramento, Marysville, and Yuba City. For tonight, clear. Lows 41 to 49. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Wednesday, sunny. Highs 68 to 74. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour.